This is just a short informal video. I just wanted to, I came up with an idea. Well, I can't really say I came up with the idea. In an actual fever, the morning that my fever broke, I felt inspired with an idea that I feel that God had put on my heart concerning an area of freedom that I think is vital. With all of the corporate laws in our Congress violating us in a wholesale fashion, someone had once asked me what did I feel was one of the most important issues to work on or to have at the forefront in our freedom work. And I believe that is jury instruction, or the fully informed jury. Because no matter what legal ground we take, the jury has the power to judge the case and the law. And so juries have awesome power to keep bad government in all kinds of ways from harming the people. You know, the O.J. Simpson trial was very controversial. You may have an opinion one way or the other concerning it. But because of some of the injustices that the Los Angeles Police Department, or whatever their local police had done with the people, that jury had the power to vote and to acquit based upon whatever they felt. Every juror has the power to acquit or find not guilty based upon nothing other than their own conscience. Most courts won't tell people most courts won't tell a jury that they have power to judge the case and the law. Usually a court will tell the jury, you have to judge the facts in the case, but I'm going to tell you what the law is. We've seen that in IRS cases. We've seen that in other aspects of law, that juries are not informed of their rights and power. Well, the reason I'm saying this is because jury nullification is a powerful tool that we have against an overreaching government. Whether we're violating or that there are laws violating anything, a jury can find or acquit people so that they're not harmed by their government. I think it was in Arkansas or Alabama. I'm not sure. Maybe you can let me know what the case is. But I remember reading something where a court couldn't find a jury to convict someone on marijuana possession. That's amazing. They couldn't convene a jury because there was at least one juror that would not convict that person on marijuana charges, because there was enough sentiment feeling that those laws are intrusive. So a jury, any one jury member can based upon their own conscience or their own rule or reason, and acquit or find someone not guilty. So here's the idea that I came up with. Jury instruction is not happening in the courts. So therefore, I recommend that people distribute literature and such as that. There's a great website called the Fully Informed Jury, or Fully Informed Jury. And that has great resources to educate jurors on their rights and power. But the idea that I got was, I have decided to embed in any and all legal work that I do, or if someone is finding themselves compelled into court, or that someone is doing any kind of legal work at all, that they can embed in their documents with a corporation or with a government, whatever, whether it's IRS or not, embed in the documents jury instruction. And then that way the documents can actually be used as evidence. And then a jury will be going over the evidence, and they'll be reading their own instructions right out of the evidence. Now, I think that's a great idea. So that way we get this information to the juries, to every jury. So I would recommend that that if you are in any legal, or you're anticipating that you're going to be in court for something and you want the jury to stand on your behalf, well, then you can embed in, I recommend that you embed in your legal documents jury instruction. Now, I have a statement, or a single page, a little more than a page of jury instruction that you can purchase from me. If you'd like, I will, on this YouTube channel, I'll include my PayPal address, email address, so that you can purchase this copyrighted material, which is this statement for you to embed in your legal documents. And I'm only charging $5 for that. So you can send me by PayPal $5 and email me, and I will email you this statement that you can use as you see fit. You can amend it, whatever you want to do, but it's a short statement. If you're doing legal work or some sort of paralegal work for someone, and you would like to use this for any and all your clients, then I would ask that you would send me a PayPal for $50, and then that way I will give you the license to use this statement as you see fit. Okay, just communicate with me so that I can help in that regard. And depending on what aspect of law, or what aspect of whatever case you're dealing with, let me know so that maybe I can maybe I can write in the document or in something like that for you to use as you see fit. Now remember, I'm not an attorney, and this is for educational, or for whatever matters, for entertainment purposes. If you care, that's fine. Whatever you want to do is fine. I'm just a writer, and so if you'd like to use some of my writing, that's up to you, and that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and include some of this the link to Fully Informed Jury for your information. And if you'd like to purchase a license to use this statement, feel free to email me at christopher@destinationfreedom.org, and I will be glad to have you utilize this. I think it'll be a great way to educate and inform our juries. Thanks so much.